Hello friends, today we have learned about how to make create point in map info tool. My introduction, I am Chandra Mohan Singh, RF engineer. Let's have a look how to create point in map info tool. Firstly, we have opened map info tool. See, we have opened map info tool. Guys, this is map info tool 8.5 version. To create point in map info tool, we have need two things. Basically, we have need two things: latitude and longitude. And the format supported to map info tool in the format of text. Let's have a look. Firstly, we have go to file. In file, we have open. Here we have select our file from our drive. Here we have a folder. There is file of type. The type of file is text format, delimited as CCI text. Select as text format, but there is no file showing in between. Have a look. Create point. This is the format of Excel. We have convert Excel format to text format. Firstly, open, edit enable, continue, and save as file, save as same destination. Text tab delimited format. Here we save. Okay, okay. Then after close. Here we have saved our Excel format converted to text file. After that we have go to, here is our text format. We have selected our text format, then open. Delimited size tab, we have choose use first line and column title. Here right click, after that OK. This is our sheet where we create point. We have go to query and select all. After that we have go option tool. Sorry, after that we have go table, create point. Here we have create point for table. Here we select our text file name. We have selected MIPT. Using symbol, friends. After that we have click to using symbol. Here we have select size 36. It is very as per requirement. Here map info compatible. We have choose font size. Map info miscellaneous. Where symbol, where we have choose symbol this. After that we have choose color. It's green. After that OK. Here get X coordinate from column. Here we have selected longitude. Get Y coordinate in column where we have selected latitude. After that we have go to projection where category path lat by long and category member we have selected latitude slash longitude WGS 84. We have selected this. After that we have OK. After that we have done it OK. After that close. We have go to file and close all table. Again go to file and open. Guys, here is our create point. Here we have select it and open. These are our create points, guys. So friends, these are created in symbol, where we have different number of site to provide. We have pick up from their latitude and longitude and create point. These are the site we have done it finally. So guys, this is how we make create point in map info. Guys, if this is like our video, then please comment, like, share and subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends.